I'm Kev Borley. I'm a technology change specialist, and until recently I was the head of innovation and technology at Bristol Airport. I was instrumental as part of an award-winning team that implemented the infiLED screen at Bristol Airport as a focal point for our program that was designed to deliver a change of sense of place at the airport through its recent refurbishment. One of the things we were trying to achieve through our sense of place was to provide an environment where we could use images to demonstrate what we at Bristol wanted the West to be known for. And the screens that we used enabled us to portray a moving image of the good things that were going in the West Country at that particular point in time. We chose the supplier by understanding, or trying to understand exactly the nature of the service we were trying to deliver to the airport as an integral part of this sense of place. And the nature of the technology that we were looking to deploy needed to provide high definition, coupled with ease of changing and creating creative material, which caused us to look at the screen's ability to deploy decent images and software at a cost and at a quality where everybody involved felt comfortable, but also working with a supplier that had product that was going to last the test of time. And I believe we ended up with that solution with infiLED. Everybody was blown away by the quality, and the reviews that we've been having as an organisation since we installed it have been quite remarkable.